everyone. Welcome back to W English, the best place to make learning English easy and fun. I am Mr. W.
And hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. It's so good to see you again, Mr. W. How are you?
I'm doing great, Sarah. I'm excited because today we are talking about a very special question.
Oh, I know this one. Is it the question people ask at school, at parties, and when meeting new friends?
Exactly. Today's topic is, tell me about yourself.
That can be a scary question if you don't know what to say. But don't worry, we're going to make it simple.
Right. But first, friends, don't forget to subscribe to W English and click the like button. It helps our channel grow.
Yes, and share this with your classmates. Okay, Mr. W, let's practice. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, let's start with the basics. My name is Mr. W. I am an English teacher, and I love helping students learn.
Nice to meet you, Mr. W. My name is Sarah, S-A-R-A. I am a student, and I love art.
Great. Now, where do you live, Sarah?
I live in a big, busy city. I live in an apartment. What about you?
I live in a house with a small garden. It is very quiet there.
A garden? How cool! Let's talk about families. I have one brother. His name is Tom. What about you, Mr. W?
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah, and she plays the piano very well.
I love music. Now, let's tell our friends about our favorite things. My favorite color is green, and I love eating pasta.
My favorite color is blue. And my favorite food? Pizza. I love vegetable pizza with lots of onions.
Yum. Do you have a pet, Mr. W?
Yes. I have a small brown dog named Max. He is very friendly. Do you have a pet?
I have a cat named Luna. She is black and white, and she sleeps all day.
Haha, lucky Luna. Now, Sarah, is there anything you don't like?
I don't like spicy food, and I really don't like waking up early.
I understand. I don't like waiting in long lines. So, friends, you see? To talk about yourself, just say your name, where you live, what you like, and something about your family or pets.
It's like a puzzle. You just put the pieces together. Hi, I'm Sarah. I live in the city. I like art and cats. Simple.
Perfect. Use a big smile and be friendly. That is the most important part.
Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching W English.
Wait, before you go, check the comments below. Our question of the day is, tell us about yourself. Write your name and your favorite color.
We can't wait to read your comments. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.